What's up? Mk3 Rare Parts Room Episode 3. So it's December 10th, 2021. And we got a ton of shit going on. And it's all kind of happening so fast now. Got a ton of parts coming in for the Mk3 VR6. Got a lot of stuff being imported, and the rarest thing is actually being shipped from the States. So got a ton of videos to do. But as we get the couple projects that have been on the back burner into the fire, we're prepping other projects to get closer to getting on the stove. So we've had a video of the Projekt pzwo stuff before, and this is something that's just been in the stash on the back burner. Shout out to Dirty South Joe. So I've had these in, I've planned on restoring them because they're really in really bad shape. But they're hella light. They're the later version. This is really pitted. But I was happy to have them. It was my first set of dual rounds I ever had. And you can see the back of this one. That's a zip tie right here. So they're really hurt pieces, but they are a good piece of Mk3 history. I'm gonna include a couple pictures of Morgan's car when it was new in '97, and these were featured in a magazine. So after I bought these, we were dropping the videos of Morgan's red Jetta or VR6 startup video. It's on the channel a couple times. You guys could check those out. After I bought these, Dirty South Joe told me that these were the actual lights that were featured in the magazine, so I decided to keep them. And the first step of restoring them, shout out to my homie Big Mike from New York. He had those made up So that was step one to restoring them. He sent it to me in this plastic. Pretty cool. So a couple months ago, I scooped these up, and I was gonna run these on a project, and same thing. They're this one didn't come with a mask, the passenger side or driver's side, and so I tried to get a mask for it and couldn't find a mask. And they're in decent shape. The lenses are in about the same condition as the pzwo's, but they are the same lights because the lights are hella. But these will be used, the frames and the wiring is all pretty much there. So I was gonna buy a bunch of parts of broken ones, and I decided that I'll just buy the set. So these are in decent shape. When you have dual rounds, you usually need a couple sets to make a set. So also, I've never tried to clean the pzwo ones or these ones. So these lenses I could live with. You know, they would probably clean up a little bit. This lens has got to go because the glue's all burned right there. So that one would be replaced. And so maybe we could use, this one's a little better. But these ones are pretty pitted compared to those. Like I said, I didn't clean them yet. But this one's in decent shape. That would probably stay. It would just be the wiring and the backs, because the pzwo ones are drilled through like I showed. So eventually I'll play around with those. So rare parts is just one of those things when something's happening, you just got to kind of jump on it. And I didn't really plan on restoring them right now, but the second set of Hellas, they kind of fell in my lap, and my buddy Mike was getting the stickers made for the tops of them, so I jumped in on that. But I'll include the couple links to the magazine article of Morgan's red Jetta, and I'll include a couple links to the other videos we did of Morgan's Jetta. So this is Mk3 Rear Parts Room, episode 3.
If you're digging it, like, comment, subscribe. Check us out on Instagram and Facebook and TikTok and all that shit. Peace.